You might not believe me, but this is the latest product from Fio in collaboration with obviously Jade Audio. As you guys can see, Jade Audio JW1. This is the latest product. Uh, while Fio is making a bit more premium SW series of TWS IEMs, Jade Audio here has a cheaper J JW1. This one is priced at just $35 and are of the open kind. They do not go inside the ear or anything like that. They just hover around your ear canal and produce some music, some sound. This one uses a 14.2 driver, if I'm not wrong, and is of decent quality. This isn't supposed to be of the best quality, but as you guys can see, the build quality is fantastic. I like this presentation thing. We do not have any specification on the box. That is decent. That is decent. Now let me tell you something. I'm making this video with the TWS on my ears. This is the voiceover. This isn't exactly the unboxing narration that I do most of the time, but this is for you guys to gauge the sound quality of this TWS buds. This should help you guys immediately. This one is white, and as you guys can see, we have a thin layer of plastic on it. Let's remove this. Let's remove this. This one looks nice. That case, that charging case looks nice. Let me tell you something about this IEMs too. Not no, these are not IEM, sorry. These are open ear buds. They will not go inside the ear. Let's take one out. You get both the sides at $35. That's a fantastic price, to be precise. Let me take it out. Okay, I dropped it. Doesn't matter. So this is what we get. They will not go inside the ear. They just hover over the ears. Now let me tell you something about the specification. These are not moving either. We get 14.2 drivers, and the battery life they are saying is at around 6 hours. I'm not sure if it is higher than that, but the specification says it is of 6 hours, and with the case we will get around 18 hours of total playback time, which is decent for a high quality product from Fio. I will compare it with the Tozo open buds. They are more premium. They have moving parts too. I'm not exactly sure how this will fit, but this look decent to be precise. I'm not complaining about the looks or anything like that. So I will do something with this. I'm not exactly sure if this will fit everyone or not, but we will check that. We will do that in any case. So this is the unboxing of Jade Audio JW1. So thank you for watching, guys. Nice day.